Hello, I'm with a 2012 Ford Escape, and I'll be doing the front brake pads and rotors on this car. So the first thing I'm going to do is lift and remove the front wheel, and I'm going to support it with a jack stand. Okay, here's the the brake assembly for the front driver's side. See, this side is badly damaged on the inside. So the first thing I'm going to do is take off these caps. And I use I know it takes like an Allen wrench size, but I use the Torque T45, and that works for me since I don't have the right size tool to remove the caliper bolts. So that's what I'll be doing now. Now there's also this bracket here that has to be removed. I'll see if I get it off without well, if I can use a screwdriver and kind of push in the piston a little bit for the caliper. Yeah. Okay, that got it off. Now I'm going to finish taking off the two bolts for the caliper. Okay, all that removed. I'm going to take off the brake caliper. There it goes. And take off the caliper bolts so I can freeze those up. And now I'm going to push in the what's left of this brake pad here. Push in the caliper with the C-clamp. Here with the piston on the caliper pushed in, I can remove it, the brake pad, and remove this one. And then there's 2 bolts back here. This one and this one. I take an 18mm socket. Just remove those, and I can take the bracket off and get the rotor off. Okay, so these bolts are removed, and this is the bracket. Take that off and get to the rotor. Take that off. This hub is really rusty, but it's still good. On a new rotor, and reinstall the bracket. Okay, I got this the inside brake pad installed. I had to pinch the clips in there by hand, and then you work it in there to get it in there, because the clips are they're spread out kind of wide, so that's how it works. I gotta put the outside pad on. I'm going to reinstall the caliper. And mount the grease, the caliper bolts, some fresh grease on them, and screw these into position. Now for this bracket, I'm going to try and get this one on without any tools. Now I gotta put these caps on the back of the guide bolts here, and then one at the bottom. Then you reinstall the wheel, and then with the brake pedal, you just push it down all the way, let it go. Count to like 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000. Push down again, let it go, and repeat that until the brake pedal is nice and firm. And that's how you replace front brake pads on a 2012 Ford Escape.